Hey guys, sorry if this is a bit blurry, but Hurricane's there with its protective blankets on thingy. And yeah, Dr. Sin has just come off its train. Hopefully you can see through this gap. And yeah, it's swapping over with number 5, Hercules. And yeah, there's Hurricane. Oh look, there's Hercules there, the red locomotive of 482, the mountain class. I do know the driver. It is Ian Botting. Alan Botting. It's Alan Botting's brother because Alan Botting drives Winston Churchill, and Dr. Sin is just coming down onto platform 4 now. So yeah, there. I think you can see it. There. Yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna do 6 or 7 parts today, and they're all gonna be called Chasing Trains. There's this one, part 3. There's the part 2, Romney Sands, and part 1 at Dungeness. So yeah, I really do hope you enjoy all of these videos, and yeah, I'll see you on Chasing Trains part 4. See you next time. Goodbye, guys. Hurricane.